Okay, so let's look at number 7, preparing books of prime entry referring to information in question 5. Prepare the following books of prime entry in the books of ortho. So now your ortho, you're preparing your purchases journal and your sales journal. So let's look at the information at question number 5. Ortho is a wholesaler of kitchen equipment. This is what he purchased and this is what he sold, because this is sales invoices to credit customers. These are invoices from credit suppliers. Okay, so now we need to prepare these informations inside our purchases journal and inside our sales journal. So let's look at our purchases journal. Dates, details, and then we have 2 columns. Once you have these 2 columns, is for calculation only. It's not for any form of debit or credit. Okay, so the $ there is to show the currency that we are using, and there is no debit or credit for both your purchases as well as your sales journal. But there is a calculation that you need to do. Okay, because there's a trade discount that is given when you buy in bulk. So on the first day, it will be January 12. Details will be the name of the person that you bought from, Polonix. And then the amount that you have to write. You have to write the amount before discount first. And then you write less how many percent of the discount, which is 10% trade discount. And then you write the amount in brackets. So here you're going to write it inside brackets as 60, because 10% of 600 is 60. So I'm not going to write negative though. 60. Then after that, 600, it goes down this way. 600 minus 60, and then the amount, we're going to put it here. Okay, so I'm just going to underline here to show that there's a calculation. And then I'm going to put 540. So this is after your trade discount has been deducted, you get 540. So this is the first one that you have to do for Polonix. I'm just going to draw in the box. Okay, so this is one transaction done for Polonix. So if you want to skip a line and do the next transaction, you are welcome to. So you can just do it right here. We can do January 19th for Kelta. So you can do the same for 1,806. Then we have to less how many percent trade discount? 33 and a third. You remember 33 and a third percent is actually 1/3 of the value. Trade discount. So its total amount is 1,602. So once you're done with that, then we're just going to find this amount after the trade discount being deducted. Should be 3,204. So draw a line to show calculation. And then this one, I'm just going to box it up. So in the boxes so that you can see the line here. All right. So once these are done, we are going to total them up. So this one you can total with this one. Now I'm just going to write the total amount here. So here it's just going to be 3,204 plus 540, 3,744. So this is how much I have bought for the month. Total credit purchases for the month. So now I'll link this together. And the date that you need to put here will be the last day of January, which is January 31st. So this one you can have a double line. So you can show that this plus this is equal to this. So this is a calculation here. So this is your total credit purchases for the month. Now we're going to do the same thing for the sales journal. So here I'm just going to highlight it. Then just that's okay, it's done. So done, we're going to write date. This is our sales journal. Date will be 9th for Alto Cuisines. Same thing, less 15% trade discount. Auto cuisine is 2240 minus, oh, I forgot to put in brackets here. Yeah, I have to put in brackets. 136. After subtracting, we should get 1,904. Now, this is that. So I just put a line here to show that there's a calculation. So do the next one here, January 18, Roselle restaurants. Total amount will be 2,360, deduction of 472. This is less 20% trade discount. And the amount after that will be 1,808. The 8. The next one will be January 27, Auto Cuisines. Also same thing, less 12.5%. Auto Cuisine is 2,760, less the total amount will be 345. After deduction will be 2,415. So you're just going to draw a line here and draw a line here because we're calculating the total for this. So I'm just going to write this plus this plus this. And that's the total credit sales. The date will be the January. Not comfortable, you can just, well, extend the line so that it looks clearer. And just have a double bottom line. Right? This is a total credit sales for the month. So it says that it is not necessary to post the information to your ledger accounts. So this is it. Once you're done with this, this is your purchases journal. This is your sales journal.